Hi, Bestie. In today's video, we're going to go over my October monthly budget and then my first paycheck budget. So if you're into paycheck budgeting, cash stuffing, a cash budgeter, low income, this might just be for you. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi, Bestie. Welcome to my channel. So glad that you're here with me today. My name is Miss Frugal, also known as Karen. I am so thrilled and excited that you're joining me today for my budget video. I'm going to start off with my monthly calendar. Right here, I went ahead and added stickers here, and this is my mom and my dad, a custom sticker that I got made of them years ago. And October 15th is my mother's anniversary, and the month of October is represented liver cancer and breast cancer. And so I did end up adding this Happy Planner Bill Monthly sticker here. It's something I found when I was going through my storage bins. A lot of these stickers are. And I said, you know what? I'm going to add them to my monthly. And I am so excited about how that turns out. So now that I went over that, if you're new to my page, welcome. If you're returning, welcome. So glad that you're here. And we're going to go ahead and start off with my monthly budget. As you can see, I went ahead and jotted down my different income sources that I hopefully will get on my website and my Etsy. My guaranteed income is my mortgage income and my Amazon. So let's see how much I'm going to budget for the month of October, which is $746.45. This month, I went ahead and increased the website because when I looked at my previous months, I have been earning more than I typically budget for. So I said, well, maybe I would get some additional sales this month as well. All right, so let's get into my fixed expenses. So my electricity bill, $187.36. My water bill is $85.72. Moella, $5. Shopify, $39. Google, $16.80. Canva, $12, and QuickBooks is $35. And let's get the total for my fixed expenses for the month of October. And that comes up to be, let me make sure, because I can't remember. I don't know if I hit the wrong key or not. Alright, so yeah, $380.88 for my fixed expenses. Now let's go to my variable expenses. My cloth and paper subscription. Then I do have some Ko-Fi subscriptions, and I did make a purchase. And then I did have miscellaneous and what my cash wallet for the month, which totals $261.32. Alright, so let me add up my fixed expense along with my variable expense. I could jot down my totals, or I can figure out how much I have left available for my savings challenges that I can do for this month. And let me jot these amounts down in my summary totals. Okay. And so let's deduct that from my income now. And that would be my remaining balance available. Alright, so that's $104.25. But if I do have more sales than normal, I will be able to save more than that. But we shall see, because I don't know. My income does fluctuate, and sales, it's not consistent. So I just never know from month to month what that would be. But my goals for this month is to increase my income, review my finances, and apply for at least 5 opportunities per week during the month of October. Those are my goals. And I went ahead and added a few stickers to my monthly budget. Alright, so now let me put this amount here. And then we can get into my paycheck budget, my first paycheck budget for the month. So let me know how you're doing today. Leave an emoji in the comments to let me know how you're doing. So hopefully all is well with you and yours. Okay, so for my first paycheck, my mortgage income normally comes the first of the month, and that's $300 that I've earned, and I already added my carry forward from last month, $38.25. That's right here. So if you haven't checked out my last September paycheck budget, make sure to check that out as well. So my total income will be $338.25 for my first paycheck. Let's get into my fixed expenses. My electricity is $187.36. I'm gonna add up $5, and that totals up to $192.36. And then let's get into my variables. Cloth and paper subscription, $59.32. Ko-Fi, I bought savings challenge for $1, and then my Ko-Fi membership with Boots is $1. And that totals up to be $61.32. So let's deduct let's add up my fixed and my variable amount. So I can determine how much I can save or cut stuff for this paycheck budget. Alright, so my fixed and variable is $253.68. Okay, jotted that down, and now I just need to deduct that from my income for the first paycheck to see what I can save, and that's $84.57. So because my income is inconsistent, even though the income on this first paycheck is guaranteed, it's not an estimate, it's actually actual. I would not be cash stuffing the full $84. I already went to the ATM and pulled the $50 out, and that's what I'll be saving for this paycheck. And I need to make a notation. So let me see what my cushion will be. I'm gonna jot that down. So I will have a cushion of $34.57 since I'm only going to cash stuff $50 for the week. Okay, and let me put this here so I will have it as a reference. And that's basically it for my budget. But this $9 here, I do need to make a notation here because the $9 is not coming. That's not part of my budget. I took the $9 from out of my cash wallet of what I had left over to do the 52-week faith-based savings challenge. So I want to make a notation of that because that's not coming out of this income or this paycheck budget. So I want to thank you for taking time out your busy schedule to join me to go over my monthly budget as well as my first paycheck budget for the month of October. Please like, share, and engage with me in the comments and turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. Bye, bestie. Toodles.